Hello Calgary and welcome to Maclin Ford. My name is Tim and I hope you're having an excellent day today. Today I'm showing off this agate black 2019 Ford F-150 4x4 SuperCrew, which CarFax says is an Alberta vehicle with absolutely zero accidents. In the XLT trim, this F-150 comes packed with a 300A equipment group, the XTR package, trailer tow package with Pro Trailer Backup Assist, as well as a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine. Some of the more notable features of this F-150 include cruise control, Bluetooth, an automatic start-stop feature, as well as this touch display screen for your audio controls, the feed from your backup camera, and miscellaneous vehicle settings. The air conditioning keeps the vehicle comfortable year-round, and the 2 USB ports ensures that multiple mobile devices can get charged. Second row features a split folding seat, so if you need that extra cargo space, you have it. Thanks for watching. There is a lot more to show you about this F-150 than I can show you in this quick video, and we would love to show you in person. So for more information, go ahead and click that link below in the description. Now you do get to choose whether you want to come visit us in person at our store, or if you want us to bring this Ford F-150 out to you at your Calgary area home or office. And have a great day.